I've known Paul, the founder and distiller at FEW, for years. I mentioned to him that I had this idea to put a piece of a barrel in a watch and then bottle that very same bourbon, and he loved it. He immediately wanted to be part of it. And it's been really great working with the whole team at FEW. We ended up picking a barrel between, I think, 3 different options that was a nice blend of spicy, a little bit sweet, and just a really nice flavor overall. And we knew with that bottled and bond single barrel, it was going to be a really unique taste. It's incredibly hard to take a curved piece of wood that's been charred, soaked in booze, and then air dried, and turn it into a shockingly precise piece of wood that can actually fit into a very thin caseback. Folks in Switzerland were pretty nervous to do it, and so we wanted to find someone local. And we ended up finding a woodworker just a few miles from the Okanasker HQ who was up for the challenge. He combined old school craftsmanship with modern technology to create a process that produced a final product that fit perfectly in our watch. We got the call from FEW that the bourbon was ready to bottle. We jumped in the car, we headed over to the distillery. The whole team was there, the Okanasker team, the FEW team, and it was kind of all hands on deck. We got the bottles in the line. We saw them go down the little conveyor belts, getting filled up with bourbon, putting labels on them, coming out, putting them into a box. And it was such a fun experience being able to watch and see how all that was made, especially for a barrel that we picked with our label on it, with our logo on it, in a partnership with FEW. As a bourbon guy, as a watch guy, it doesn't get much better. We got all the parts here at the Chicago HQ, the dials, the movements, cases, and of course the wooden discs. We're very lucky to have our own in-house watchmaker, Nathan, who was very excited about this project. It was a technical challenge to be able to find a way to put a piece of wood in a caseback, keep it isolated from the movement, but still protected from the environment. And it was something that we solved, and we did it really well. And it's just a great collaboration that we've done with FEW, with Okanasker, using their skill and our skill, and put together this really beautiful new watch. I'm incredibly proud of this watch and all the effort and skill that went into making it. Working with the team at FEW has been a privilege and an honor. We make very different things, but in the end, we both create something folks can cherish and enjoy with friends and family. The Olmsted FEW is a great combination of both our passions.